how to leave a Life360 circle. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can leave a Life360 circle, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To leave a Life360 circle, open up the Life360 application, and first of all, from the very top, just make sure that this is the correct circle that you would like to leave. After you make sure of that, just tap on the gear icon from the top left of the screen to come here, and here you'll find another option known as circle management. Tap on the circle management option. Once you tap on circle management, over here you will see this type of interface where you want to scroll down, and you'll find one option here that says leave circle. So you can tap on leave circle, then tap the yes button if you would like to leave that circle. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically leave a circle on Life360. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.